What's going on, guys? If you got a Peter car and your window don't work, let us show you how to fix it. Y'all take a look.
So man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
What's going on, guys? Today we got a Peter car in the shop and the passenger window don't roll down. So we're gonna show you guys how to bust into this bad boy and how to fix it. Y'all take a look. All right, guys, the first thing you gotta do, you gotta pop your little cover off there where your switch is. And there's a screw right there. That old wild bill's taking loose right now. And then you got this one, and this one, and this one. I don't know why I'm pointing these out to you. Heck, you guys can see them as good as I can. Probably better than I can. Anyway, take all your screws out of the door panel, and then we'll show you what lays behind it. Alrighty, you can see we got the door panel off. Right here's where the door handle goes. Let me stick it up here and show you that. I get you be a little easier on you guys. The way this works, this door panel, of course, has got the screw in it there, and there's two up here on this side. When you get the screws out, you have to push it forward, kick it up to get that off. So you don't want to break or bend nothing on here because you can see it's super high quality stuff. Anyway, there it is off. Those two screws I was showing you on the door handles here. The other one is located up under here. And you got this one that's hiding out in the front, so don't forget it when you get ready to take it out. Now this is a used truck that was brought in our shop to go over and fix everything that was wrong. One of the things we noticed, the light on the bottom of the door here was not working, and this is why. Somebody had already been working on it. That explains some of the missing screws and some of the high quality stuff that's going on here. Of course, this is for your door locks if you have a door lock, which this truck's not equipped with it. So anyway, that's what it looks like inside of there. So our next thing we're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to get in here where we can get to the motor and the window regulator. So we're gonna start taking all these screws out all the way around. The door lock mechanism off, and we'll show you guys what that is. All right, as you can see, we took all the screws out around it, all the way around. You got to take out these three here and these two here. Once you do that, then you can unplug this plug from your window motor. Sorry about that, guys. I know I mashed your face. We was doing what we could. So we got her up here, and you can see there's our motor. So there's going to be the culprit to what's wrong, and we'll show you what we're going to do next. All right, the next thing you got to do, guys, it's 11 millimeter. Hold your bolt head on the back side. Get you another one on the net side, but you want to hang on to this winder. When he pulls them two bolts out, she's liable to fall down. That'll be her demise. We'll get this loose and show you what it looks like.
I ain't gonna make you no promises, but I got a wedge up there. It might work and hold that window up.
I'm still gonna hold my hand on there.
Yeah, because I don't trust it.
There she is. Let's stick something under this just in case that wedge decides it don't want to work today.
There you go.
All right, now we got her out here where we can work on her. So we got a new one ordered. As y'all can see, it's got this little funky looking spring madoogie in here. And this part's where it feeds back up into the door. So we'll get the new one in and show you how to stick it all back together. All right, guys, you see we got the brand new window part we needed. And you see it's still got the tag on it from Murphy, Hoffman and Company, or better known as MHC, or what we like to refer to them as mostly hard-headed crooks. Anyway, we're finna stick this bad boy in there and show y'all how it goes back together. Y'all take a look. All right, you can see we got our line back up there. That bolt and that bolt back to the glass. That takes the 11 millimeter. We're gonna get her tightened down. Then we're gonna stick this part back on here. Put those 3 screws in. These 2 screws here go in that part. Then we'll get the door panel put back. All right, while Bill's hooking that linkage back up, I'll show you how to do that when he gets it done. What we did, guys, after we got the glass hooked back to the window motor, we went ahead and made sure tracks on each side under here, and I lost my place. Here, we're lined up with the glass, and we pushed the glass up till we got these holes lined up with our screws. Then was able to get these 3 back over here. You can reach through that little bitty tiny door, and you can reach in there and push it to get this one started. And you may have to take a pry bar or something curved to push it around to get your other 2 in. But anyway, I'll show you what that linkage looks like on the door handle when it gets it done. Then we got to put all the rest of our screws back in it all the way around. And then we'll start sticking the door panel back in. And I'll show you a magic trick. When you hit the button, she'll work. All right, you can see we got all the screws back in there, except for this one, which was missing before. So let me show you guys what this looks like under here. All right, you can see a little plastic clip holds that little rod in there. You pull that little plastic clip down, you pull the rod out. So anyway, that's how that works. So if you can stick the door panel back on, line over Mad Juju back up. Make sure when you put this on, guys, you can line this back up in your hole. Also, one more tip I'm gonna give you, the rod that connects this, make sure it goes behind. There's a rod going through here. Make sure it goes behind that rod to go across. If not, it's gonna bind up and you're gonna take all the shit back apart. And it's gonna suck major donkey balls. So let's get this door panel on there and we'll show you what happens. All right, guys, you can see we got the door panel back on. Remember, the best way to do this one, there's a little tab that comes out like this, and the door panel's got a slot going up here. So angle your door panel out, push it in the slot, down, and then you can lock it in the front. Get all your bolts back in. Don't forget about the one that always wants to hide up here. And last but not least, snap your cover back on. All right, well, let's see what happens. We have not tested this, so if it don't work, we're gonna look like an idiot, but look at there. Rolling up and down. Let me check at this book now. Let's see. Woo! Man, it's almost like we could be mechanics or something. Anyway, guys, that's how you put a new window motor and regulator in your Peterbilt. As always, guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe down here below, and we will catch you next time. Y'all have a great one.